Welcome to another 60 Seconds to Success video. My name is Alex. I'm one of the learning specialists with Educational Support Services, and today we're going to be identifying and avoiding burnout. So what is burnout? Burnout is a form of exhaustion caused by constantly feeling swamped. It can be related to being overwhelmed, emotionally drained, or unable to keep up with work or school. This is a result of excessive and prolonged emotional, physical, and mental stress. Now that we have identified burnout, let's talk about the symptoms. Some symptoms can be a sense of heightened anxiety, where the smallest task can feel overwhelming and insurmountable. A lack of sleep or general fatigue, where we're kind of just dragging our feet through the day. A lack of creativity and purpose, where our work just doesn't feel that important to us. Emotional numbness, where the things that might have interested you in the past don't do it for you anymore. How to avoid it? Finding healthy coping mechanisms before stress builds up, and using those coping mechanisms throughout your semester or school year. Actively engaging in self-care is a very important way to avoid it as well. If this video interests you, here's some information on how to contact or find our office at the Schnecksville campus. Best of luck on the rest of the semester.